Hi, I'm Dr. Amy White, and today I'm going to talk to you about tips and ways to make your home more inviting for your holiday guests who might have hearing impairment. Lots of us invite our friends and family over to enjoy these great holiday parties, but a lot of times we don't think about how those with hearing loss may be affected by our own homes. Here are some tricks and tips to make it easier on those with hearing loss to communicate effectively and easily at your house. Number one, kill the music. I know that music really helps give a great mood for holiday parties, but having that at a soft volume or produced in a room that maybe isn't going to be used for people to congregate and talk to in will help quite a bit. Music really can interfere, especially when it's loud, if someone is trying to hear conversation better. Number two, consider using lots of cloth, tablecloths, and napkins. Reflective surfaces in our homes, such as hard tabletops, hard chairs, hard floors, create a lot of reverberation and echo, which makes it really hard to hear and makes the noise much, much louder. Number three, good lighting. I know we all like mood lighting. Eating by candlelight seems really great and really helps make us have a festive mood. However, bright, well-lit rooms are going to help the person with hearing loss be able to see everyone's face better, which in turn helps them hear better. And number four, consider your table arrangements. Rather than having one long table with 20 people at it, in which case the person with hearing loss is going to have a very difficult time hearing anyone more than a couple people away, consider having smaller table groups, maybe rounds of 4 or 6 together in different locations as opposed to one long table, and that will go a long way to helping them be more involved in the conversation. Employing these strategies is going to make people with hearing loss be that much more comfortable in your home. Consider using them and think about the loved ones and friends that you have that may benefit. Any other questions or other concerns and would like to know more about these strategies, contact us at Elk Grove Hearing Care.